Hi, Koi. My name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I am reaching out to you because you commented on my post on Facebook for the Home Inspectors group, and I just wanted to go through a few things with you for your website so that you can bring more traffic and bring more clients to your business. So we're going to go over three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And then we'll go through your competitors' website as well. And I will show you how placing on Google in top two sections really will help your business and your traffic out. So, first thing we'll talk about, like I said, was content. And that is all of this area here. So, all of the written stuff that you have about your business, you and your services. So, it looks like you have about 134 words on your front page. And Google really likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words. And the reason they do that is they really just kind of feed through your site and they're looking for the expert in this field in your area. And so 1,500 words is really the best you can get with them. And if you can add some content on there, you will definitely add some power to your website. So this program is called Ahrefs. It's Ahrefs, and you can get this for yourself, but it gives you a bird's eye view of the back end of your website. So right here is your domain rating, or DR. You want this number as high as you can get it. 6 is an okay start, but you really need to bring some more power to your website to get some more customers. Backlinks are the next thing that we'll talk about, and they are links on other people's websites, this referring domain, that will lead back to your website and your business. So if somebody's reading about getting a home inspection or they're buying a new home, there might be a highlighted word on that blog or article, and they will click that and it will come back to your website. So you really want quite a few there to drive this power up and drive your ranking with Google up. Next, we'll talk about organic keywords, and this is going to be keywords that are listed on your website, and they will show us how much volume or how many people are searching per month on Google to find your services. So, for example, Palm Springs Home Inspectors brings only 20 people a month, and you really want to get anything over 150, but there's not a whole lot on your website. So we would definitely find some that will drive a lot of power. KD is keyword difficulty, and that is really you want that number between 0 and 5. This means that other people or other businesses are not competing for this specific word phrase. So if you have high volume, a lot of people are looking, but not a lot of businesses are targeting those people. Traffic is how many customers you are getting from this volume per month. And so with there not being a whole lot of volume in your position on Google, you're not getting really any customers. And that position on Google is right here. So each page of Google has about 10 different businesses. To start off, you want to be that 1 through 10, but ideally you really want to work hard at getting 1 through 3 position. Now I'll talk to you a little bit about Google and how I found your competitor. So I just put Southern California Home Inspection, and this is what popped up. So they kind of claim that name there. But right here is what we call a Google Map Pack. And so I'm sure you see this if you're looking for places to get your hair cut or restaurants to eat at, you will find this Google Map Pack. What you do is you register your Google or your business on Google. So you put in your information, they send you a postcard, and that postcard has a code. Once you have that code, you put it into your account, and you're now registered with a Google My Business account. Once you do that, we can add citations, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But you really want right here to have website directions and a phone number, because statistics do say that about 90% of customers will book with you if they can get to you talking to somebody, a real person, from 1 to 3 clicks. Next, we'll talk about organic listing, and this is the listing that I was talking about, that 1 through 10 on each page. You want that 1 through 3, so one of these 3. You'll ignore the Yelp and Home Advisor, all of those. Those are just references. And the way you get there is the backlinks and your content and your website layout. So this is who I chose because they're the first organic listing, and this is SoCal Home Inspections. So with them, their website is not good at all. They just kind of have an HTML format. and they have 496 words, but that would be easy to beat out. And even if you only had 1,000 words, if you had your layout way better than this, you could definitely shoot up on the rating. Now their domain rating is 7. They have 45 backlinks on 25 different websites with only one organic keyword. Be extremely easy to beat them out. Now citations are the next thing I'll talk about. Citations are essentially registering your NAP, your name, phone number, and address, or name, address, and phone number, with there's a ton of different kind of online white pages, and once you register with them, you're creating a citation. And so you have 9 citations, whereas SoCal has 42 citations. And you really want to get, after 6 months, my clients are with me for 6 months, they have anywhere from 350 to 500 different citations. Just how many we can get with the most power, that's where you really want to fall. Okay, I know that was a lot, but thank you for commenting on my post on Facebook. If there's anything else I can help you with, I really would love to be a tool for you to use and to add some value to your business. So my number is 405-627-2693, and my email is caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.